The dollar edged lower against a basket of currencies last week as Trump repeated his call for a weaker currency to help American manufacturers. The US dollar index weakened to 97.37 on Friday, posting its biggest weekly decline since the 2nd of June. It closed the trading session at 97.49 with a weekly decline of 0.89%. US President Donald Trump said on Friday that he was not ready to make a trade deal with China and had decided that the United States would not do business with China's telecoms giant Huawei Technologies for the time being. Also on Friday, data showed that the US producer prices fell by 0.1% in July, suggesting inflation remained muted. Meantime, the euro rose by 0.2% against the dollar to 1.1200 on Friday. For the week, the common currency advanced by 1%. The euro has benefited as concerns around a no-deal hard Brexit and the US-China trade war have swirled, providing plenty of fuel for its gains. The British pound fell by 0.78% to 1.2037 against the dollar on Friday. On a weekly basis, it lost 0.8%. The UK economy shrank for the first time since 2012 in the second quarter, and sterling slid to a 31-month low. Meanwhile, the Japanese yen rose against the greenback on Friday, reaching 7-month peaks as safe haven demand continued to be underpinned by the escalation in the trade war between Washington and Beijing and concerns over global growth. In the crypto market, Bitcoin price settled at $11,893 on Friday, gaining the whopping 14% for the week. A number of fundamentals have been driving Bitcoin in recent weeks, such as the escalating US-China trade war and the UK's exit from the European Union. Some analysts foresee a new all-time high for Bitcoin on the back of these events. In the commodity market, oil prices jumped on Friday, supported by a drop in European inventories and expectations of more OPEC output cuts despite the International Energy Agency reporting demand growth at its lowest since the financial crisis of 2008. Brent crude oil for October delivery finished the week at $58.53 a barrel on the London ICE Futures Exchange, plunging below the $60 level, down by 3.26% week-on-week. Meanwhile, West Texas Intermediate WTI for September delivery closed the week at $54.50 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange, gaining 4.04% for the week. In the meantime, gold price settled at $1,508.50 a troy ounce on Friday, with a 5.31% weekly gain, making it the best weekly return in more than a month amid ongoing US-China trade war concerns. This week, investors will continue to monitor trade developments. Economic data from around the world will also be in focus as investors try to gain insights into the health of the global economy. You are watching Currency and Commodity Market Review on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.